All right, the next question that I'm going to help you with, you're going to see something that asks something like this. Which pair of numbers does the 4 have the same value? So I have two pairs of numbers. The first number in this first pair is 13,490, and I'm going to underline my 4 because I know that that's what I'm looking for. The number 4, where does it have the same value? Okay, then 7,640. The next one is 34,978 and 4,631. So let's go back to this first pair of numbers. Are these two 4s, the digits 4, one is in the hundreds place value, one is in the tens place value. Are those going to have the same value? No, they're not going to have the same value. The number in the hundreds looks like this, 400. That's what that number looks like if you were to use it with base 10 blocks or put it into expanded form. And this is going to be 40. They are in different place values, so they do not have the same value. Let's look at this number, 34,978 and 4,631. This is in my thousands place value, so that number would look like this, 4,000. This is also in my thousands place value. So that's what it would look like, 4,000. So these two have the same value.